What if the most important moment of your life is the first 60 seconds after you die? Because in that moment, everything changes. Your soul is taken, your reality is revealed, and your next life begins. Most people are not ready for it, but Islam explains exactly what happens. When death comes, the angel of death, Malak al-Maut, comes to you. And what happens next depends on how you lived. For a believer, the Prophet, peace be upon him, mentioned the soul leaves like a drop of water from a jug, easy, gentle. But for someone who ignored Allah, the soul is pulled out, like a thorny branch dragged through wet wool, painful. In that moment, nothing you had matters. No money, no status, no people. Only your actions remain. The moment your soul leaves, you see clearly. The Quran tells us people will beg, "My Lord, send me back." But it's too late. Everything you doubted becomes real. The angels, the unseen, the truth. For the believer, angels come with peace from paradise. For others, it's not the same. Your soul is taken upward. The angels ask, "Who is this?" Not your name, your reality. For the believer, the gates of heaven open. Their record is placed among the righteous. For others, the gates do not open. Then the soul is returned. All of this happens before burial is even finished. You're in the grave. It's dark. People have left. Then two angels come. They ask, "Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet?" If you truly believed, the answers come naturally. If not, you'll say, "I don't know. I just followed people." Then the grave changes. For the believer, wide, peaceful, filled with light. For others, tight, crushing, difficult. This is Barzakh, and it's happening right now. 1 minute after you die, it has already begun. Your soul is taken. Your reality is shown. Your questioning starts. Your grave changes. So prepare, because this life is temporary, and what comes next is permanent. Join us in seeking reminders that benefit the heart and soul. Subscribe to stay connected to our future videos.